Hey guys, welcome back to my channel All Time Cooking by Sharmi. Today I'm going to share my experience with you. I hope you like it, and if you like my video, please click on the subscribe button and stay with me always and keep it with me. And today is about Baby Dove Lotion, this moisturizer. I got it for my baby about a week ago and applied on my baby's body, and it's really lovely, and I felt it that he is active than before, and yeah, I love it, and I also used it. It makes your skin more softer than and more lovely. So it's very handy. You see, it's give a little click and that's it. And it's new and pediatrically approved, yeah, and it's a 200 milliliter and Unilever brand. And anything you want to know about the lotion, you have to go to www.dove.com and dermatologically tested, pediatrically approved. How to use one Baby Dove moisturizer lotion in your hands, apply it to your baby's body and massage gently. Ideal for everybody, so you can also use it as your mom and parents or anyone if they don't have any skin problem. So external use only, yeah. And it's once you open this product, make sure you use it one year, 12 months. So after 12 months, just put it in a bin. So once you open any product, I think about like this, use it in 12 months. That's all about. So it can got your baby's skin beautiful, but as a parent, you know that little ones can get dry skin that needs special care. Your baby's skin is beautiful, but as a parent, you know that the little one can get dry skin that needs a special care. That's why created our unique Baby Dove moisturizer lotion. Its formula smooths dry skin from the first use and provides all the moisturizer that leaves baby's skin feeling soft and delicately skinned. So you can use it for your baby. Yeah, I hope you like my video. If you like it, please click the subscribe button, share with the family. Okay, that's all.